this class, we are going to learn about Pen Tool. And you can find Pen Tool here. You can press shortcut P. And after selecting Pen Tool, make sure you have selected path here. And then you can start selecting things. So how it works, let's see. So you just have to click like this. And when you want to end, select from where you start. And you see you have created a nice shape. Now, when you are using Pen Tool, you will use most of the time path panel. All right. So you can see when we created this, we have something here. Okay, you just click on it. It is important. Double click on it, name, whatever you want to rename, name it, and click OK. This is very important. Otherwise, it will override on that particular work path and you will lose the selections. So better always create, double click and rename it so the path will be saved permanently. Then you can create new path and you can create a new selection. Then you can create new path and you can select new selection. Now, if you want to activate these selections, you have to press Control and click like this. And if you keep on adding things, you can press Control and Shift and keep adding your selections. And if you want to minus and subtract the selections, you can press Control Alt and select. Click on this and you can see it will deselect. Press Control D to deselect it. And let's delete this and see it in action, that how we can select this box with the pen tool. So I have this box here and let's do the selection. So how you will do it? You just go here and click here and just keep on clicking, something like this. Yeah, click here and have this one, come at this end and just finish it off. Okay, just like this. And then you double click first to save this and I'll name it box. Click OK. Control and click to convert this into the selection. Go to the layer, this is the layer, press Ctrl J and you have the box. This is how you can do simple selection with pen tool. Now, what if I have curves in it? For example, this. So with hand, let's select this. So how you can do that? So let me show you first how you can do that. When you click directly, it will give you the corner like this. See? But when you click and without leaving the mouse, just keep the hold on your left mouse button when you click and drag it. And you see you will make this curve. Click, drag, then release the mouse button. Click, drag, something like this. See? And you can then come and finish the selection. So this is how you can just keep on selecting, but when you drag, it will give you curves. When you don't drag, it will give you corners. All right. So let's do the selection here. Let's just press undo for this. Okay. I'll go here in the paths and I'll start from, let's say here. Let's start from here. So I'll just click here and then maybe I'll directly click here. So easy and so nice. It will give you nice selections here. And see, now this handle. Now this handle, wherever you take it, that side, the next point will continue. So for example, if I click here, you see it will come like this. Okay, so if I want this one to go here, this handle should be actually here, like this. You can go in this setting and you can click on this rubber band. When you click on this, it will show you where your next move will be. Like if I go here, it will give me like this. If I go here, it will give me like this. So this rubber band will show you exactly how you will get your next selection. So even if I have like this, I can easily see how it will go, right? But I generally don't like this. And I just keep on selecting in this way. There's one more way that when I'm selecting like this, I can just alt and click on this on the last point to make it straight. Just alt and click on this. So you will have no handle. Wherever you move your mouse, it will always go straight. So here I'll make a curve like this. This one I want here. And like that, I'll just keep on selecting things. And now you see we have curve here. So I'll just alt and click on this. Okay, it's alt and click. And then I'll continue. So it will break here. Okay, now here I need to zoom a little bit, and I think I have to click one more here so that I can have a nice curve within the boundaries. Yeah, that's nice. Just click this here. Alt and click to adjust the handles. Like when I click here like this, after that you can press Alt and you can move this. This is called Convert Vertex tool, which you can also find here. So either you come here and then you do it, and then you again go here, take pen tool and work, or you can just press Alt to do this. Okay, now here I'm having the issue, so maybe I will just do selection until here, and then I'll make curve. Something like this maybe. Control and click on the point to move the point. So with Alt, you can move the handle, and with Control, you can move the point. And I'll directly go here, and I'll adjust this. And now I will finish the selections and I'll come back. And now you can see I have made this selection with the pen tool. And I can double click and I can just name it handles and just click OK. And when I press Control click, you see I have selected this. Go to the layers, click the layer and press Control J. And you see you have done the selections. So this is how you can use pen tool to create selections. Now there is one more tool added to the pen tool, and that is curvature tool. Let's see how this tool works. Curvature is same like the pen tool, but it's more easy for selecting curves. Like if I want to select this avocado, how I will do that with pen tool? So you need to click here, and then you need to click like this and drag to create curves, right? But when we use curvature tool, It's very easy to make curves. Let's see this. Let's go to the part. Let's start selecting. So I'll just go zoom in so that I can see where's the hard edge and just click here. And when I click here, you see it is automatically creating curves like this. Now, here you see this thing is there. And if I click and click here, you see this curvature will take place, which I don't want. Otherwise, the whole shape will be affected. So you can just undo, and let me just do selection here also again. This one is actually here, something like this. Yeah, okay now. So when I click here, I'll press Alt and click. When you press Alt and click, it will give you hard edge. See, okay. For example, if I again Alt and click on this and then Alt and click, so you see you will have hard edge. If you don't press Alt and if you continue, you will have smooth curves. So I again press Alt and click on this point so that I can get hard point. Then I will continue to the soft selections or part. And you can see it makes awesome curves. Now see here it's making curves, so I'm losing this effect, this part of the leaf. So I can press Alt and click so that I can get hard. Here also I'll click and Alt and click so I can have a hard selection point there. So wherever you have, so here Alt and click, so make hard. Wherever you want smooth, keep it smooth. Where you want hard, Alt and click. So here you see I need hard point. I'll press Alt and click. Alt and click here and then continue. So wherever you need corners, you press Alt and then click on the point. Otherwise, it will give you smooth points. And if you have this selection here. All right. Same if you want to select this one. Let's do selection of this one. And you can see we have nice selection of this part also with the curvature tool. So this is how you can make selections with pen tool and curvature tool. And we have another image here. Let's do this curve here with the curvature tool and see again how you can do that. So let's start. And you see we have done a nice selection with the curvature tool. You can come here, you can just save this, control click and done. And you have a nice selection here. This is how you can do selections with pen tool and curvature tool. So this is enough for this class and I'll see you in the next class.